were to meet with me, I had a beer mug that I was going to send Cynthia,
nice.
but it's gone. And for a cup of coffee, glass of wine, or mug of beer, what question would you ask Joyce Weiss? I'm ready.
Well, I'd ask you 50 questions for sure, but I would probably start with, how are you? What's new in your world? What's exciting for you right now, Joyce? What are you amped up about?
Folks, that's all it takes for us to ask that simple question. How are you? And I'm going to tell you how I am briefly, because I'll do the Reader's Digest. I am beyond excited about this new portion of my career.
Great.
Doing this interview, and my show is about a year old, and I see the progress of me as a host.
Yeah.
And because I watch TV, and I listen to the radio, and I tune into some really good and really poor hosts, and I've learned how to feel real comfortable in this. I didn't know that I enjoyed interviewing people on a camera,
Right.
in my perfect little office here that was designed during COVID. So the show, my facilitation and coaching projects, they're going deeper. For whatever reason, this time of the year, I'm always getting my referrals. The old way of doing business was you contact people who love you and know you and hired you. Well, I did that for years, and the slow but steady wins the race. And they're calling. I'm excited about that. And I'm going to stop at that. There's just so much.
That's wonderful.
So much.
I'm so happy for you. That's great.